G'day everybody, Matt here, and today I've got one of these Belkin USB-A to Lightning charge cables to check out. I decided to go with these because they're black, which I was looking for rather than a white one. And these ones are certified to meet Apple performance standards. This is the 1 meter version, or 3.3 feet, and it's been durability tested to 8,000 bends. So it should last a decent amount of time. I've got my trusty slice safety opener, which is fantastic for cutting through tape and boxes and that sort of thing without worrying about cutting what's inside. So let's open this one up and check it out. Alright, so we've got a Lightning USB cable, basically general information, compliance, warranty, that sort of thing, and then the cable itself, which, I mean, let's be honest, no one really expected there to be any more than that in this box, did they? Now, it's not a braided cable, as you might be able to tell there. It is a plastic coated cable, but it is thicker than the standard Apple USB charging cables. I've got one of them here actually, just for comparison. If we put that side by side, you can see there that this Belkin one is just slightly thicker than the Apple one. And it is a sturdier charge point as well, larger. The bend protection actually goes back a bit further than it does on the Apple one. So I feel like this is quite a decent quality cable. So that's it. That is quite literally all that comes in the box. We didn't really expect there to be anything more than a cable, but nevertheless, hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.